Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you for a given date how to find a first day of that month. Okay. So what I have is a set of dates here. I want for example 26th July 2015. I want July 1st. Okay. Similarly for August 21st, I want the 1st of August, something like that. Why do we do this exercise? Because many times when you calculate balance sheets and other things, sales and expenses, all those stuff, you have a date and you want to put into a particular criteria to a particular month, you must know the first day of the month for your calculations. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I use two formulas, two ways how to find a first day of the month. Okay, first what we can do is you have this month. Okay, so this date. Okay, why this date is in this format? Because I already put it in that format using DD, triple M and YY. You can see it here. Okay, I put it here in the date format. You can put it in any date format, doesn't matter. Okay, what I'm going to do is I just get this date. Okay, I minus off all the days in the date. Okay, if I minus off all the days in the date, it will automatically go to the last month, last day. Okay, so how can I minus off all the day? I just minus off the day part. Okay, so day part of this date. Okay, then what will happen? I minus off all the days in that month. Logically it will go to the last month, last day. Okay, last month, last day. You can see it here, 30th June of June 30th of 2015. Now you add one day and you will get first day of that month. Okay, so July 1st 2015. Okay, I hope you understand. We will do it one more time. Okay, you get the date minus of all the days, day part of this date. Okay, you don't worry about the argument serial number. It will automatically get the serial number of the number value of this date. Okay, then add one day. This will give you last day of the last month, previous month, and you add one day this month first day. Okay, so similarly for all the dates, you can see 1st of November 2018, 1st October 14. See, this is 30th of October. You got 1st October 15th. Okay, 12th of December, 1st December, 3 October, 1st October, 20th May, 1st May, 20th June, 1st June, and 23 October, 1st October. Okay. Okay, not only this, we have another way to find this first day of that month is using a EVO month function. Okay, EVO month is the last day of the month, end of the month. Okay, so you give end of the month, EVO month of a particular date, start date. Okay, any date. Okay, you give that one, it will take the end of month of that particular date. Okay, and what will happen is that you can give the months. Okay, if months is 0, then it's a current month. Okay, just to put a month 0, you can see 31st July of current month, last day. Okay, if you change this one to +1, this month, the dates month, +1 is next month, last day of next month. Okay, similarly you put -1, it will give end of month of previous month of this date, which is 30th of June. Okay, it's similar. So if you put -1, it will give you the end of month end of month function will give you last month last day, okay, for the given date, previous month's last day. So you, as usual, you add 1, you will get this month first day. Okay, I will repeat one more time. End of month of this date is nothing but this month. Okay, this month last day. Okay, if you put 0 for the current month, if you put 1, if you put 0, this is the current month. Okay, end of day of current month. Okay, I want previous month, so -1. Okay, then previous month last day, so I add 1 day, 1, it will be 1st of August. Okay, the same. Similarly for all the data, all the dates, you have the same thing. 1st October, 1st December, October, 1st May, 1st June, 1st June, 1st October, 1st October 18. Okay, so you get all the things the first day. Okay, so we have two formulas. Either you minus off the days and get the previous month last day and +1, or use the EO month function to get the previous day and +1 will get current days current month first day. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel and give a like also if you like it really. Okay, and God bless you. Okay.